How to freeze frame video in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make frame freeze in your CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first thing you will need to do is choose this video section wherever you want to add a freeze. So after you choose the correct position, and after you choose the correct position, make sure that you've selected this video section. What will happen after you select the video section is that a little more settings option will get you will find a little more option section. So what you'll need to do is you will find different options. The one that you will need to do is you'll need to choose this one. It's called freeze. If you tap on it, your freeze section will appear here. Now you can adjust the size of this if you want to, so I'll just set it up. Now what you'll need to do is you can just head back here, tap on play, and there you go, the freeze has been added. And that is basically how you do it. You can do it multiple of times. So I'll just do this, select that video, choose this again, adjust the size, and then play again. So that is basically how you can add a freeze frame in your CapCut video. Thanks for watching guys, that is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.